Okay, now Aryan Khan's lawyer is arguing that the interrogation is done and nothing has changed. Aryan Khan's lawyer, Satish Manishinde, is arguing in court. He says he should have been confronted already. What was this entire delay about? Why wasn't Aryan Khan already confronted with everything? And why is the Narcotics Control Bureau now basically saying that they need an extension so Aryan Khan can be confronted with Anchit Kumar, who's just been arrested by the narcos? The counsel, the legal counsel representing Shah Rukh Khan's son, saying, you've had him for 4 or 5 days. You should have done this confrontation and interrogation and completed all of these procedures by now. Why are you stretching this out? Is the basic thrust of the question that Satish Manishinde's legal team is asking in court as we speak. I want to bring in India Today's Sahil Joshi, whose team has kept you ahead completely on this big story here on the India Today network. Sahil, welcome. The court hearing is on right now, Sahil. Satish Manishinde and team very, very focused in their questioning. They're basically saying, you've had our client for 4 days, 5 nights, and now you're asking for even more time for interrogation when all of this stuff could have been done in the time you've already had. Why are you stretching this out, Sahil?
Well, Shiv, if you see the arguments, the ASG, the Additional Solicitor General, is trying to make an argument that all the 17 people who have been arrested so far, all are connected, and all of them were called for a rave party. They were informed that there is going to be a rave party, drugs will be supplied, and that is the reason why all of them were present at that cruise terminal. Whereas, what the Aryan's lawyers are now trying to tell, the Satish Manishinde, just arguing in the court, that it has been their earlier position as well, that he did not have a boarding pass, he did not have registered himself on the cruise. He landed up there because organizers invited him. Now he has come up with a name. He is saying that there is a guy called Pratik Gaba, who is a friend of Arbaz as well as Aryan Khan. Both of them, Aryan and Arbaz, is what Manishinde is saying, that both of them were invited by Pratik Gaba on the instance of somebody who is part of the organizing event, and they were asked to be there to add glamour to the whole event. Secondly, he also claims that there have been chats between Gaba and Aryan Khan, and both the chats, nowhere in all the chats, according to Satish Manishinde, nowhere it is mentioned that rave party will be conducted, there will be drugs supplied on the cruise, and that is the reason why Aryan should be part of this particular party. So where is the question comes that he's part of the whole syndicate is what he's trying to say. He's also trying to say that he's inside the NCB custody. He's in the NCB custody since Sunday. So it's almost 5 days now. And if anything would have need to be unearthed, by now it would have been unearthed. Though practically, if you look at it, Satish Manishinde has maintained that they have no complaint against NCB. Whereas yesterday, what we saw, that Nationalist Congress Party and the minister clearly said that the people who apprehended Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant are private citizens and they were not part of the NCB investigation team. And why would they do something like this? One of the person was a BJP worker, found out to be a BJP worker, and the other person is a private detective who was there, and they claimed that both of them were whistleblowers. They were the tippers of this particular event, but this particular raid. But Manishinde claims that they have no complaint against the NCB official. What he is trying to come to the conclusion is that the NCB is trying to make out, made out a case that all the 17 people were together.
Yeah.
The party was planned. The rave party was planned. Everybody was invited for the rave party. Whereas he's saying that Aryan Khan was not invited for the rave party. He was invited to add the glamour quotient to it. The chats, according to Satish Manishinde, between the person who was inviting Aryan Khan to this particular cruise party, the chats show no trace of rave party or any other substance is going to happen at the cruise.
Yeah.
He keeps mentioning that nothing has found on Aryan Khan.
Yeah.
For the first time, NCB has finally come up with the details saying that one person, Archit, from whom 2.6 grams of ganja has been recovered. His name was taken by Aryan Khan, which of course they are retracting now in the court. The Aryan and Arbaz Merchant. ASG is saying that they were expecting this retraction. Now, we'll have to see that after 5 days of time, what more NCB would like to unearth. NCB's claim is that now that the 2 days custody has been sought and been given by the magistrate of Archit, why not Aryan and Arbaz's custody as well? Because they want to confront these 3 people together, and they think that there is a chain of supply which they want to unearth, which has been challenged now by the Aryan's lawyer.